Preparations are underway outside criminal court in Lower Manhattan, where former President Trump will be arraigned on Tuesday. Barricades are going up, officers stationed, and roads are expected to close as the Secret Service leads a massive team of law enforcement ensuring the safety of everyone involved. While the criminal indictment against Trump is still officially sealed, tonight we are learning more about one of the roughly 30 counts he faces.
Sources tell CBS News former President Trump is being charged with falsifying business records in the first degree, which is a felony. The charge stems from alleged hush money paid to adult film star Stormy Daniels during the 2016 campaign, which were then booked into Trump records as legal fees paid to Michael Cohen.
Paying hush money is not illegal. Falsifying business records is.
On Tuesday, Trump will be arraigned in Manhattan criminal court, the first president to ever face criminal charges. He will be fingerprinted and have a mugshot taken, but not handcuffed, as he will be in Secret Service protection. Some say Trump could use his booking photo as a political tool.
He will not be the first politician to ever have a mugshot taken, even though he's the first former president, current or former president, to be indicted and to face a serious criminal case. Other politicians in the past have sort of used their mugshots almost as an act of defiance and a moment of political triumph to try and show that they're innocent and that they're the target of political witch hunts or political forces that are sort of out to get them.
Trump attorney Joe Tacopina says Trump will not consider a plea deal.
This is a case that would not have been brought against another individual in this country if his name wasn't Donald Trump.
Trump, who denies any wrongdoing, was spotted dining with Melania at Mar-a-Lago on Thursday before blasting DA Alvin Bragg on Truth Social, writing in part, "Nobody in history has ever been through the scrutiny that I have." The felony charge of falsifying business records comes with a possible prison sentence of up to 4 years if Trump is convicted. Columbia Law School professor John Coffey expects the trial to begin before the end of this year.
I suspect that Trump is going to try to postpone this trial until after the primaries. I think that will get a lot of resistance from the prosecution, and it denies the voters some fundamental information.
And to give you an idea of how serious the security is, yesterday the NYPD conducted a dry run of Tuesday's proceedings as they continue to double-check all security protocols are in place for next week.